Hi friends, welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about operators in C Sharp. Operators are symbols used to perform operations on variables and values. Simple meaning: operators are used to do calculations and comparisons in program. Why do we use operators? In real life, 10 plus 5 is addition, 10 greater than 5 is comparison. In C Sharp, operators help us perform calculations, compare values, make decisions. So let's dive into the code. We'll see that. I'm going to create a new console project. I'm clicking on Solution Explorer and I'm selecting new project. I've selected console.app and I'm giving a name as operators. Operators. Here's examples. Okay. Now I've created the project. Now we'll see one by one example. First we'll go with types of operators. First one is arithmetic operators. For example, if I am going to take int k, I'm going to give 20 plus 50. Here plus symbol we called as a addition. This is called addition operator. Okay. Now we'll go with another example, sum 1. I'm going to add 100 plus 50. You know, the output is 150. Okay. Now I'm going to take int sum 2 equal to sum 1 plus sum 1 plus 250. So what is the output over here? Already 150 is for sum 1. So 150 plus 250. So the total is 400. Now int sum 3. I'm going to take sum 2 plus sum 2 plus sum 2. Again I'm going to take sum 2 because we need to do addition sum 2. Sum 2. So what is the output here? Sum 2 is already 400. 400 and addition plus 400. So the output is 800. Now if int, for example, int a equal to I am assigned with 15, int b I was assigned with 4. Now console.writeLine, I'm going to print the values of a plus b equal to the value. So here we are using a plus b, a plus b. Now just understand what we have written here. So I am 15 plus 4. So that output is output is 19. Now I'm going to take a minus, that means subtraction b. So the output is a minus b. So the output is 11 because 15 minus 4, that is 11. Now with multiplication, we are going to check with multiplication. A multiplication B. So the output is A multiplication B. So the output is 15 fours are, that is 60. Now again I am going to take another example. A divided by B. A division, that means A divided A by B. A divided by B. So the output is 3 interdivision. Okay, the output is 3 integer division. Now A modulus, we'll check with A modulus values. A modulus. So the output is A modulus. What we miss? Okay, curly bracket, square bracket, not 3. Now we'll run the program. We'll see the output. Console.c, console.read key or read line, whatever we want, we can use. Now we'll run the program. I'm selecting the operators project. Okay, build succeeded. Look at here. A plus B 19, A minus B 11, A multiplication B 60, A divided B 3, and A modulus B 3.7. Okay. So now we'll see floating point division. Commenting all these lines. Floating point. Point division. See, now I'm going to take that double X I have assigned with 15 and double Y I have assigned with 4. Now again X divided by X division by Y, X division by Y. We need to add plus symbol over here. Okay, look at now the output. I run the program to see the result. The X 15 by 4 running, taking why no, I might go there, and I run as well. And now only these lines will get. Oh, the operators example project we need to take. Look at here, the output is 3.75. That is correct. 3.75. Look at here, 3.75. Now we'll see increment and decrement operators. Now I'm commenting these two lines. Now we'll see increment and decrement operators. For example, num 8. Num I have assigned with 5. In the next line, I have increased with the increment operators plus plus symbol. Now console.writeLine will print this. This double symbol, that means plus double symbol, plus plus symbol increment by one value, one number. So the output is 6. If I use decrement operator, for decrement we need to use before that line. Okay. Now again I run the program. Look at here. 5 minus 1. It's a 4 1. Addition operator. Now we'll see that. I'm commenting these two lines. Addition. Addition operators. Example, int v have initialized with 10 and v plus equal to 5. Look at here the output. That means v plus 5. That means 15. The output is console.writeLine. Run the program. See 15. Here there is another example. See addition assignment operator is simple one. For example, if we take this one is also correct one. V value 10 plus 5. So to write like this, we use v plus equal to 5. That is simple one. Addition operator. Comparison operator. Now let's see comparison operators. Comparison operators. Example, with O I have assigned with 5, int V I have assigned with 3. So remember friends, always in C# we always has to end with a semicolon, otherwise it will throw an error. Now console.writeLine O greater than P. O greater than P. What does it mean? O P. What does it mean? 5 is greater than P. Now see the output first. I stop the program and again I run the program. See, it will give true because comparison operator always give true or false. If I change greater than to less than, then it will display false. Okay. And now the next one is logical operators. Example, int q we are initializing with 5 Now in the console window, I am checking that q value greater than 3 and greater than 3 and less than q value less than 10. So you just imagine that in your brain. So q is greater than 5, this is true, and q is less than 10, this is also true. So the output is true. When we run the program, the output is true. True. So friends, this is all about operators in C#. If you like my video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.